So, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a new way to earn money. You will be able to learn how to earn money without any effort. All you need to do to get the trading bot is 1. Register a new account using my link. 2. Make the minimum deposit that will be provided. 3. Once you have made the deposit, write to me and I will provide you with the bot and instructions on how to use it. Now let me tell you about the benefits of this bot and what it is. Have you ever wondered how to succeed in trading? How to make your investments work for you even when you're asleep? Trading can be challenging. Constantly monitoring the market, analyzing charts, and studying news. It requires time and effort. Even experienced traders sometimes make mistakes. But what if you had an assistant who could analyze the market for you? Meet our trading bot, your personal finance assistant. Our bot uses powerful algorithms and artificial intelligence to analyze market data in real time. It studies patterns, identifies trends, and generates signals for buying or selling assets. Each signal is based on historical data and current market conditions. This means that you receive informed recommendations that can significantly increase your chances of success. With our trading bot, you will get automation of the process, no more spending hours in front of the screen, access to professional strategies, use algorithms developed by experts, minimize your emotions, forget about the fears and greed that prevent you from making the right decisions. Don't miss the opportunity to improve your trading results. Access our Signal bot now and start earning in the market without wasting any time. Trading is not only a risk, but also an opportunity. Give your capital a chance to grow with our trading bot. Start your journey to success today. Trading can be challenging and time-consuming, but with my bot, everything changes. It's a smart tool that automates your trading, saving you time and reducing risks. The bot uses proven strategies to generate consistent income. Customize the bot to your needs, choose the right strategy, and watch your capital grow. Want to learn more and start earning today? Join my Telegram channel and get free access. Now I will explain how my bot works. My bot analyzes a variety of markets and their movements, using indicators and other tools to predict where the market will go. The bot is programmed with artificial intelligence, allowing you to choose any currency pair and set the trade time. In the video, I demonstrate how you can receive signals for 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. The bot works every day without interruption, and you can trade at any time and for as long as you want. You can decide how much you want to trade, and the bot can generate up to 90% successful trades per day. I've been using the bot for over a year, and I've decided that I need to develop myself and my audience. I want my colleagues and my audience to earn alongside me. In this video, you can see how easy and simple it is to use the bot. All you need to do is click on a currency pair, receive a signal, and trade according to that signal. Once you've completed the trade, you can click to receive the next signal. There's nothing complicated about it. If you want to learn more about my trading style, you can watch my trading sessions. Here are 5 reasons why you should try my trading bot. 1. Automation. Say goodbye to late night screen time. The bot trades 24/7 and will help you at any time and provide a signal. 2. Time saving. Set up the bot once and earn money without spending time on manual market analysis. Third, risk reduction. Clear algorithms and automatic stop losses protect your capital. 4. Increased profits. The bot trades according to predefined strategies, increasing your efficiency. 5. Easy to use. The interface is intuitive, even for beginners. I would also like to inform you that all updates are permanent, and any update is provided to you free of charge.